Welcome home to 1629 Ferndale Avenue in Northbrook. This expanded 5-bedroom, 3-bath home is wonderfully situated at the end of a dead-end street in District 28 of Northbrook, and it backs to the Forest Preserve. Let me give you a tour. This home provides a peaceful setting, yet you're still close to the amenities of downtown Northbrook. Enjoy this spacious, upgraded kitchen with an island, beautiful cabinetry, updated appliances with plenty of eat-in dining space. I love this study Carol space. Who wouldn't want to work from home here? A 2006 addition created so much extra space for this house, and it's a stunning location backing to the Forest Preserve. Come for a visit, stay for a generation. Welcome home!